Today is Tuesday, and you know what that means?
It's Taco Tuesday!
No. It's Tech Tuesday with the Tech Trio.
In the upcoming weeks, our building level CTLs will be sharing some technology tips with us. And today we have Mr. Ryan Knight, the vocal music director at MVHS.
He is also a Level 2 Google Certified Educator. I'm going to bring him in now. Ryan?
Hey.
Welcome, Ryan.
Yeah, so some people have asked, like, what is a CTL? And the curriculum and technology leaders were one teacher or maybe even two teachers at each building who are really experienced or knowledgeable about technology, and our job is really to help you be successful in the classroom and help model really great technology skills for students. So we don't always solve hardware problems. We have really great lab techs for that, but we do kind of want to help teachers and students get more comfortable with different apps and different skills and tools to be able to use in the classroom.
So today, Ryan is going to talk to all of us, including me, who have a Gmail account that is flooded with lots of emails maybe you don't want, or over 3,000 emails like I have in mine. I think Stacy probably has about 5,000. So maybe we need a little help with organizing our Gmail, and Ryan has some tips to share on video today.
Yeah, I'd love for you to take a couple minutes if you have the time to watch that video. Hopefully it's able to help you cut down on some of the emails that you don't need and organize the ones you do have. Because yeah, I do see a lot of times you get the app and you see in Gmail on your phone and there's a little red circle with notifications that says 100, 2,000, 3,000. It gets to be really excessive, and so to help you and to help our students understand how to organize that, hope you to have a couple minutes to look at that, and let me know if you have any questions.
And if you do have any questions, you can send all your emails to Ryan Knight and flood his inbox, but he'll be so organized that and probably has a folder for that. We are the MVTech Trio.
Hey Mount Vernon, so today I'd like to show you a few tips and tricks about your email inbox, hopefully help you bring your email notification number down and help you process that more quickly. First, I'd like to show you on the screen an example of my email. This is my personal email, and I have some stuff in here I don't need. In fact, I see an email here from American Eagle. I haven't shopped there since I was 14, and I don't need this information. I don't even know why I'm getting it. When I open this email, though, I see I'm inundated with this large ad. But if I look at the top under the To From area, I get this option to unsubscribe. Gmail is automatically pulling the unsubscribe link from the bottom of the email. You can find that probably somewhere down here where they don't want you to see. I wonder if I can spot. Oh, there it is. Yeah, they don't want you to find that unsubscribe link. You can scroll down and click that, but Gmail has found it for me, and if I click it, it's going to automatically unsubscribe me from that. Then I can move it to spam, and any future emails from that address will automatically be marked as spam, and I don't have to deal with it anymore. So step number one, unsubscribe from stuff if you're getting a lot of spam emails, and mark them as such. The second way that I deal with email is to create filters and labels. Let me show you how that works. When I'm in my work email, I have a lot of different folders or filters really, and labels on the left-hand side. So you see all these little tags. These are all labels. These are little tags that organize my email for me. So I've created some for band, for choir, for field trips. I've even got some for the bulletin so that when Cheryl sends out a bulletin, it goes automatically in that folder. I also have some filters or some labels here for the administration. If I get an email from Mr. Wendell or Dr. Thompson, those automatically go here. So my inbox is not one big collection plate, right? My inbox is a list of things that I know that I still need to do or deal with in a miscellaneous way. If you look on the left, I don't have any new emails here because I've already dealt with the emails today. But let me show you what it would do if I create a new label. For instance, if I wanted to create a label for things from Julie Kissinger, I would select my settings menu, and then at the very top, find the labels tag, I want to create a filter so that anytime stuff comes from Julie Kissinger, it goes in my technology folder. So what I need to do first is create a folder called technology, or create a label here called technology. I'll call it CTL, right? Because that's what I am for the building, a curriculum technology leader. So I'm gonna make a folder called CTL. I'm gonna put that in my technology folder that's already there and hit create. Great. Now I have a technology CTL label. When I click it though, nothing there. Well, now I need to create a filter. If you click the gear in the upper right-hand corner and go to settings, now we'll select a filter, and I have a lot of them. I have one example here from Mr. Wendell. Anytime emails come in from Mr. Wendell, they get marked as coming from the principal, and it gets marked as important. Same thing if I get one from Dr. Thompson or Mr. Fisher. Then I know I need to check those. But in this case, I want to create one from Julie Kissinger. So I'll click Create a New Filter from Julie Kissinger and create a filter. So now anytime I get an email from her, I'm going to apply the label CTL. There we go. Now, if I don't want it to stay in my inbox, if I don't want it to clutter up that area, I can hit skip the inbox. It won't mark it as red. You can still see that email, but it won't clutter up your inbox. And the really cool thing that Gmail does, at the bottom, I can also apply this filter to other conversations that Gmail found. So by marking this, anything else from Julie Kissinger is going to be put in that CTL folder. So now I'll hit create filter. I don't want it to skip my inbox. Great, and now in my CTL folder, if I click over here, all my emails from Julie are in one place. So again, how do we deal with email? Number one, unsubscribe from stuff that you don't need and turn those notifications off, right? Anytime Skyward breathes, it sends you an email. Turn those off. And secondly, experiment with creating labels over here on the left-hand side and filters so that when emails come in, they automatically go to a specific folder. Anytime you get a bulletin, it can automatically go to your bulletin folder, and then you can view them there. Let your inbox be the most important emails, almost that are miscellaneous, that you would need to deal with because they don't fit an organized category. It also helps because if you have like a lot of emails that are in relation to maybe parent emails, right? They're coming from your parent from outside the corporation. You can kind of deal with those all at the same time. They might even be the same question. Hopefully those are some helpful tips and tricks for you. Maybe check out some of the TNT dates that Courtney York is doing over at the junior high. We might be talking about some other ways to organize your email in the future. But thank you very much for watching and have a great week. Bye-bye.